In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use top paths in Mixpanel. Top paths help you see the most common journeys users take so you can identify where they drop off, what sequences lead to success, and how to optimize your product. To get there confidently, we'll first ground our analysis with a simple insights report that frames session behavior. Start by opening your Mixpanel workspace and navigating to your project. From the dashboard, create a new report and choose Insights. Insights is a great starting point because it lets you validate that the events you care about are tracked as expected before you dive into pathing. Think of this as checking the foundation before building the house. In the metrics selector, choose Session Start. This event marks the beginning of a user's session, making it a natural anchor for understanding how journeys begin. If you use a custom event schema, just make sure your session start equivalent is firing correctly and consistently. Next, add a second metric and select Session End. Pairing these two gives you bookends, where sessions begin and where they end. This quick view helps you gauge volume, seasonality, and whether there are unexpected spikes or dips that might affect how you interpret paths. Now apply filters to focus the data. Use filter to narrow by date range, platform, country, or app version, whatever matters to your question. For example, isolating mobile sessions can highlight different navigation patterns than desktop. Filtering removes noise so top paths reflect the audience you actually want to analyze. Use breakdown to split the metrics by a property, such as device, page, or referrer. This reveals which segments drive your session trends and helps you decide which segment to explore when you move into pathing. If one device type dominates, prioritizing that slice may give clearer, more actionable top paths. When you're ready to explore journeys, remember you can also view flows and funnels from this area. Flows visualizes top paths, those common step-by-step routes users take from entry to subsequent actions, while funnels focus on conversion between specific steps. In flows, start from a session start or a key event and examine the top sequences that follow. Look for repeated loops, long detours, or abrupt exits. These patterns often point to friction or unclear navigation. In funnels, use the same events to measure how efficiently users complete a goal, then compare segments you identified in Insights. A few quick best practices as you explore. Keep event names consistent, exclude internal or bot traffic with filters, and focus on a time window large enough to be representative but recent enough to reflect current behavior. With this workflow, insights to validate, then flows to reveal top paths, you'll get trustworthy, actionable insights into how users move through your product.